Hello and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. Well, I have the top done on March's quilt. Here is the sneak peek of these squares on point with the sashing and the cornerstones. I did do a big butterfly border, so that was really fun. And I had this fabric in my stash and I said, it matches everything, we're using it. So I am not very good at taking all these colors and mixing and matching them. It is tough for me. So I did my best. So I am not very, I still consider this kind of scrappy just because even though this jelly roll was one line, it was still tough for me to put all these different colors together. So there's that bad boy. And the full video should be coming out in a day or two. I've got it all filmed. I just have to stick it together, edit it, and we're done. Do you like my new clover back here? Isn't it cute? Anyway, the April project, Shelley Robson at the Quilted Forest drew for the April project, and it happened to be project number 11. So my number 11 is the Desert Stars Table Runner by Atkinson Designs. And I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so I'm so glad I put this on the list. So these are charm squares, and then the star, I'm doing this one, not this one. The star legs around the pattern are also charm squares. So I'm using this zinnia charm pack, and it's got all these fun colors. And this white with the blue dot is going to be my background. So I think that's going to be pretty fun. And I do have another piece of this fabric that I think I'm going, if I can find it, because I'm not exactly sure what stash pile it's in. So if I can find it, this gray border is going to be this print. This is the yardage I have, this one right here. So I'm hoping it'll be really fun. So that's it, you guys. Just a really quick, hard-hitting, boom, video. We're done. Showing you a sneak peek of the March project and what's coming up for April. So, hey, you guys, I am going to head over to Missouri, going to Hamilton, Missouri this year, again, for the 3 Quilt Amigas Quilt Retreat. You guys should check them out. It was a blast last year, and I said, I'm going again. I'm doing it again. So, it is coming up at the end of April through early May. So it's about 5 days or so, 4 or 5 days. And Hamilton, Missouri Star Quilts there. I think there's 16 quilt stores. So that is going to be a good time. Last year I left here on Saturday, got there on Sunday, and I rented this little 2-bedroom apartment. It was gone this year already when I went to book my stay, but it was gone. So, but it was, somebody else is going to enjoy it. It was really a fun place. So I got a little B&B, and they'll get to feed me breakfast, which, hey, that's always a win if I don't have to cook. And I'll get there Sunday. Monday morning, I'm going to shop at Missouri Star, going to check it all out. And you know, I still have a video from when I was there a year ago that I've never put up on touring Missouri Star. So I've got to get that done. I've got a ton of little tiny videos that I did in each store. And it was so fun. And I just loved it. And I said, I'm going to go one more time to the quilt retreat and one more time to Hamilton. And we'll see. We'll see. Maybe next year, if it happens again, can't stand it and I'll have to go again. But you guys, it was super fun. 3 Quilt Amigas. Check them out. And I think it's just 3 Quilt Amigas Quilt Retreat. Just Google that and it'll take you to where you need to go. Sign up, come and hang with them. It is April, story from April's Craft Room. It's Di from Sister Chicks Quilting, and it's Tracy from the Sewing Channel. Sewing Channel. I'm losing it, man. Anyway, Sewing Channel. So come check them out. It was so fun last year. If you can make it, let me know. I'd love to be able to see you there. And it was a good time. My first quilt retreat, and I did it up right, went to Hamilton. So yeah, great. Anyway, you guys, April's project is going to be Desert Stars, and this video for the Weekender should be out shortly. I've got it all filmed and ready to roll. So I'm going to leave it at that. I will see you guys hopefully soon. Please stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative. This is Diahn at 4 Clovers Quilting. See you soon.